Hi, my name is Kaylee McGeehan. I've taught AP Language and Composition at Carlisle High School for the past 10 years or so, and I'm delighted to share some information with you about the course so that you can determine if it is a good fit for you. The AP Language and Composition course is typically suggested for students who have already completed Honors English 1 in 9th grade and Honors English 2 in 10th grade. Please note that students wishing to take this course must complete an Honors AP contract. The AP Language and Composition course is a College Board advanced placement course, which means that the course culminates with the exam in May. By earning a qualifying score on the AP exam, students may earn college credit. Learning in the course is guided by the course and exam description provided by the College Board, which also provides helpful course objectives, which are good to note. The AP Language and Composition course cultivates the reading and writing skills that students need for college success and for intellectually responsible civic engagement. The course guides students in becoming curious, critical, and responsive readers of diverse texts and becoming flexible, reflective writers of texts addressed to diverse audiences for diverse purposes. The reading and writing students do in the course should deepen and expand their understanding of how written language functions rhetorically, that is, to communicate writers' intentions and elicit readers' responses in particular situations. Students develop the skills of rhetorical analysis and composition as they repeatedly practice analyzing authors' arguments, then composing their own arguments. The three broad focus areas for the course are rhetorical analysis, argument, and synthesis. These are guided by the exam on which students are required to write a rhetorical analysis essay, an argument essay, and a synthesis essay. Thus, most of the learning in the course is designed to hone students' reading and writing with an eye towards these skills, which are once again provided in the course and exam description. Because this is an AP course, students can expect to do timed practice essays in class in preparation for the AP exam in May. These are intended to expose students to prompts like the ones they will encounter on exam day and to provide students with experiences that mimic testing conditions as closely as possible. However, all of the writing and reading that students do in the class prepares students not just for the exam, but also for their college experience, regardless of major or field of study. Students may encounter fine line assignments or other analysis assignments that carefully examine a writer's craft and argument. They will write paragraphs and full essays that require them to integrate the skills and methods of development explored within the text they read. Students will also complete an extensive research project that focuses on a topic or issue that is relevant and important to the student, and that synthesizes and integrates support from both traditional and non-traditional sources. Beyond these more formal writing opportunities, students can expect to write daily. They will consider and reflect on thematic ideas and issues via discussion posts and regular reflective responses. Finally, after the AP exam in May, students will use the remainder of the year to begin working on their college application essays in preparation for the college application process during their senior year. The AP Language and Composition course is somewhat of a departure from other English courses at CHS because it largely focuses on the study of nonfiction texts, specifically the art of the essay. The course prompts students to carefully examine how writers and speakers effectively craft their work and use these observations to effectively hone and develop their own writing skills. Although the focus is primarily on nonfiction, students may explore fictional texts such as Ray Bradbury's Fahrenheit 451, Arthur Miller's The Crucible, or Nathaniel Hawthorne's The Scarlet Letter. These texts may contribute to the thematic focuses of the course, but also afford the opportunity to move students from literary analysis to rhetorical analysis by examining the rhetorical situation surrounding each text. Further text explorations may include Walden by Henry David Thoreau, The Narrative of the Life of Frederick Douglass, In Cold Blood by Truman Capote, and The Grapes of Wrath by John Steinbeck. Additionally, theory and techniques as well as further reading selections are provided in the textbooks for the course, The Language of Composition, and The Bedford Reader. In addition to reading carefully and closely, students are encouraged and required to read broadly. Really, the AP Language and Composition student should read anything and everything they can get their hands on. Students will be provided with a long list of suggested reading resources for reading, watching, and listening, and various exercises and assignments will require students to explore these resources. However, students should increasingly take ownership of exploring new and various resources and should come to embody a spirit of habitual reading, reflection, and connection. In general, students can expect the AP Language and Composition course to challenge their way of thinking by asking them to look differently at the world around them and to question and consider various perspectives. Students are asked to continuously make connections between the texts they read, the concepts explored within the course, and events and issues present in the world around them. Through close examination and careful connection making, students confront their own thinking and begin to enter their own voices and ideas into the conversations about important issues and topics. Of course, students are the best measure of a class. I encourage you to take a few moments to read and listen to some of the comments my own students, past and present, have made about the course on the following slides. I hope this presentation has provided helpful information for you as you make your course selection considerations. If you have any further questions or would like to visit one of my AP classes, please feel free to email me. I hope to see you in AP Language and Composition next year.